Alright, so today guys, we are eating duck fetuses, and as you can see, they've already started, so I'm gonna need some help on how to do this, step by step.
La 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 la.
Okay, so you gotta crack it on the part that's not pointed. There you go. Crack it up, and then there's a juice right on the surface, so usually you'll sprinkle a bit of salt. Drink the juice.
Yeah. Much tasty if you're going to put vinegar on it. Salt and vinegar.
Oh.
That's how it's
What am I gonna do? You guys are so casual about this. I'm just uncultured Canadian that is just so detached, so outside of his comfort zone right now. So, is that the duck?
Yeah, I'm a killer now.
So there are two kinds of balut, the 16 days and the 18 days, which is the balut sa puti. So just get it straight to your mouth.
Oh my gosh! It's been a long time, more than 10 years since I've last had this. So I don't know if I can do this. Can I just eat what they're eating? That looks so much more appetizing. You got charcuterie, brie, and crackers, and then we have unfertilized duck fetus. How do I do it? I just crack here. Crack it like that. Some sweet fetus juice.
Say it like that.
In makilala. Mama Ann.
It's not bad. It's not like a really strong flavor to it. I think that's why you add salt to it. Little extra juice in there.
More than hour, nag-aagas ang juice. Nag-aagas ang juice.
So that's the black bit is the duck. The best thing to do is to not look at it.
Yeah, that's the pro tip.
It's just an egg. It's just an egg.
And then after that, you open it up and then you
Bottoms up.
yummy. Perfectly yummy.
Oh, boy. A little vinegar helps everything.
Shaking. That's the fetus and this is the mother.
That's balut. It's delicious. I thought I had escaped the balut of Davao. There's more balut.
Wait. I grab you. When you open, you can.
Did you hear? There's balut. There's balut. Just when I thought I could get away. More balut. One balut for you. That's one balut for you. And what? Oh, that's hot. That burned a hole in your bag. Balut. The spicy vinegar, and they give you asin. They just dump it in the bag. Yeah. Not asim, it's asin.
To make it maalat. See?
Why can't you bring salt to church?
I know the joke.
Because it's asin.
Eat your balut.
All right, you gotta go. So I'm getting good at this, or you gotta poke it here, right?
Oh, that's the wrong side.
It's wrong end. Oh, there you go. We got a crack there.
Have you tried the balut before? Yeah.
I have to. Now you just
we
pour
were
out the
like-
juice.
We were a lot of people.
This is the sweet juice. I guess you could just slurp it up. Now that I know what to expect flavor-wise, it's easier.
No, you have to eat it in one shot.
Yeah, don't look at it.
Don't look at it.
You can't wait too long, because if you look at it for too long, you're just not gonna want to eat it. Bottoms up, I guess. Cheers. Here we go.
Kami kung meron din. Yan, yung pula, baka bigay sa atin yung regular din na saba, meron na doon.
I think I tasted the duck part.
Ha?
There's a texture that tastes like egg yolk. And then there's another texture that doesn't taste like egg yolk. That would be the duck. I think I tasted that. The texture was different.
Look, and listen, it's chirping from your stomach. It's chirping.
Ling stared at the duck fetus for too long and then
I chickened out and then it just I ate the egg yolk and then I was holding it upside down and the chick literally plopped down.
fell out. Rule number 1, when you eat balut, don't look at it. Thank you for the balut.
See you tomorrow.
I know I enjoyed that balut. Right? Who didn't enjoy balut?